Hey guys, today's we are discuss profit and loss basic concepts. Okay, so here first is profit. Profit is amount gained after selling a product more than its cost price. Loss amount the seller gets after selling the product less than its cost price. Cost price amount paid for a product to purchase is called cost price. Selling price amount for which product is sold called selling price. Market price, this is labeled by shopkeeper to offer a discount to the customer in such a way that discount is equal to market price minus selling price. Discount percentage, discount percentage is equal to discount divided by market price into 100. Profit formula is equal to selling price minus cost price. Loss, cost price minus selling price. Profit percentage, profit divided by cost price into 100. Loss percentage is equal to loss divided by cost price into 100. Okay, so here we have profit and loss tricks. For false weight, profit percentage is equal to true weight minus false weight divided by false weight into 100. Okay, when there are two successful profits, m% and n%, the net percentage profit is m plus n plus mn divided by 100. If profit percent and loss percent are equal, okay, p is equal to l, then percentage loss is equal to p square divided by 100. If product is sold at m% profit and then again sold at n% profit, the actual cost price of product will be 100 into 100 into p divided by 100 plus m, 100 plus n. In case of loss, Cp is equal to 100 into 100 into p divided by 100 minus m, 100 minus n. Okay, so you can see in case of profit, denominator 100 plus m, 100 plus n, and in case of loss 100 minus m, 100 minus n. So let's discuss some of the examples. Suppose a shopkeeper has bought 1 kg of apples for rupees 100 and sold it for 120 kg. How much is the profit he got? Cost price of apple is 100 rupees. Selling price of apple is 120 rupees. Profit is rupees 20. Okay. For the above example, calculate the percentage profit gained by the shopkeeper. Percentage profit is profit divided by Cp into 100. Profit here is 20 from the above example, divided by cost price, it is 100, and that is into 100, that we get profit percentage is 20%.